Dear friends, as we gather with loved ones to celebrate the joy and magic of the season, let us remember the true spirit of Christmas: love, kindness, forgiveness, and generosity. May this special time of year bring you peace, happiness, and time with those who matter most. May your hearts be filled with warmth, your homes be filled with laughter, and your life be filled with joy. Wishing you and your loved ones a blessed and wonderful Christmas. I also take this opportunity to wish each one of you a blessed new year filled with hope, peace, love, and prosperity. Thank you. Kublai Mithila.